buddy Jim at Black Spruce Country.
Outdoors,
We got Brindley here too.
Hey guys, welcome back to the cabin, Black Spruce Country. You're here with my buddy Andrew. You've seen him before, Andrew Moss Outdoors. And so we're here today. We had to walk in. There's snow here, but the road is all gravel now, so we couldn't take the snowmobile in, and too much snow for the side-by-side. So we're here today to put a little feed on, and it's not going to be in the cabin, it's going to be outside. We cut a couple of sticks, so you're going to have to stay tuned for what these things are for. So you don't even know.
No, mystery. Ooh.
So my wife usually surprises me with meals. I'm going to surprise you.
Ooh, yeah.
So I'm a chef today.
Yeah.
So
I'm just along to film. Eh?
I'm going to put you to work. We got to put a fire on out back. So anyway, enjoy the video, and we'll talk to you in a bit.
Woo!
You take that one.
All right.
I'll tell you. The wood is damp. See, look, I can see.
Yeah.
This is going to be our kitchen today.
All right. Oh, you got this stuff right here. What are we eating?
Okay, we have, what is it?
Moose steak?
Moose steak,
Oh my goodness.
and we have potatoes. We're going to make some home fries.
Ooh.
So we cut that stick. Have you figured it out?
Steak on a stick.
Steak on a stick.
Woo!
That's what we're going to do over the fire. So that's the menu today.
Gonna be good.
So you're going to cut these up, and I'll get the sticks ready.
Every time I come here, I just put to work.
Yeah, well, and we got the fire going, so give it some time for the coals to get hot. So yeah,
Let's do it. All right. So I got a funny story. The first time I was in this cabin, me and Jim, like just after really formally meeting or whatever, I knew of him, whatever, and he said, "Come to the cabin, we'll do a video." So we sat down. I'll get the clip here now. I'll put it in. We sat down and had our meal, whatever. What do we eat? It was.
we had moose pie.
This one was, yeah, that's right.
Moose
Yeah.
pie.
Anyway, so we sat down after and we were like, yeah, we'll have a cup of tea here now. So sure enough, Jim, you don't have much sugar anyway, do you?
No.
So I'm a
bit.
big sugar guy. I'll have 2 spoonfuls, right? Anyway, so I goes and put some sugar in my tea, and I'm like, oh, this coffee mate, because I never used coffee mate before. So I said,
Exactly.
this coffee mate must be gone bad or something, right? I was like, no, but anyway, I put it down, sipped it again. I was like, man, no, man, this coffee mate or this tea bag has gone bad.
Yeah.
Sure enough, Jim had salt in the sugar tin, so I had 2 spoons.
They look the same.
Yeah. So
Cup of tea now while we're waiting for the fire to boil down. You want that, Mom?
yeah, what's up with this, Mr. Gould?
Well, I got special treatment, right?
Yeah.
From my buddy Scott. Andrew's jealous because he don't have a mug. Scott?
Yeah, like what's up with this?
I
Like,
don't know, man. I don't know.
wouldn't know our friends in high places must be.
Yeah. I need a block. Smoke. Oh boy, smoke. Well, you're doing a good job.
Not too bad, eh?
Not bad.
Am I gonna be kept down or?
Perfect. I'll keep you on. I think it's hot enough there now. Let's try a couple. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's hot enough.
Oh, good.
put it right here. Take this off. That smoke. Let's get our steak going. I'm going to give you the double.
Perfect.
The double steak. Hopefully it works. There you go. Steak on a stick. If it takes too long, we'll have to cheat. There you go, man. We're gone primitive here.
Yes, sir.
And some?
Yes, sir.
With poppy rays. There. Boys, I think our steaks are about just about done. Put a little bit more of that smoky applewood from Pampered Chef. The wife has it.
Give me some, brother. There you go.
Holy moly.
You're right in the line of fire.
Yeah, you think? I'm gonna say these steaks are done.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah. Jim, throw me over some more of that poppy rays again. What?
Papa ways.
Big shout out to Poppy Ray and Tina with Pampered Chef. This steak is looking pretty complete. Steak on a stick, pretty good. I roasted marshmallows.
All right, guys, steak on a stick, and that look delicious. What do you say, Andrew?
I said I never.
No.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Famous words from Andrew Moss. She's that good, she's dripping. Look at that. So we're gonna try it. What do you think, Brindley?
Is that salt or sugar?
I'm gonna test it.
Looks pretty.
Yeah, that's salt. Shake that up a bit. Here we go, guy. Cheers, man. Steak on a stick.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
This is what he calls primitive.
Oh, man. With that bit of smoke taste to it.
Mmm. It's good.
Sit. Pa. Pa. That is good.
It is.
That is good. And at a gourmet meal, I think I showed my wife up. What do you think?
I don't know. Tina got a pretty good.
I don't know.
Pretty good. Tina got to fill up.
Fry. There you go, buddy. I'll give you the bone after. Nothing left but the bone. I don't think you liked it. Huh?
Delicious, man. I can't get over it.
Good, isn't it?
That's really good.
You got another one there, yeah.
I know, I'm blessed. Doubly. Brindley. Sit. Pa.
Good girl.
Pretty good.
Sit. No, sit first, then the paw. How about the other one? No, the other one. This one. Good girl. Boy, some good. Good meal.
It was delicious.
Good, wasn't it?
First time I read like that.
Cup of tea to finish it off. You couldn't eat it all, Brindley had to finish it.
You can hear it.
Oh man, it's hot. Yeah, that was good. Really good. Glad you came down, man.
No worries, man.
Glad you came down, yeah. Long overdue.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll definitely be doing that Aragon steak on a stick. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Next time you gotta do it like this.
Yeah, you should bring your wife down. Spend the night here.
Absolutely.
Really peaceful, man. I'll tell you, it's really peaceful.
Well, I know where the keys to now. So.
We were here one night, man. There was a storm outside. This is just couldn't see anywhere with that storm. Heavy snow, man, was it ever nice.
Just tucked away.
Beautiful. What?
Just tucked away in here.
Yeah, tucked away here, the fire going, and man, it was so nice.
Absolutely. She'll like that though. She'd love to come here.
Yeah. Brindley.
Then I'll convince her. See, then she'll want me to build a cabin.
Well, go for it.
So, you
Put
know.
it right next to mine there where I'm going. Good, ready to go. Guys, we're done. It was a great meal. It was great to have my buddy Andrew there from Andrew Moss Outdoors. And I'll put a link to his channel at the description of mine here. And we're gonna hoof her back out now. We got a long ways to walk out. Hopefully the snow is not too soft.
Yeah.
And it's starting to rain.
Yeah, it's
So again, thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, subscribe. We'll see you in a couple weeks. Take care. God bless.